That gives a new meaning to the chicken dance.
It's your own exit. So those are a lot of really cool behaviors, and Heather mentioned, we're training other birds. We train all of our